So let's be honest, the world of handoff doesn't make sense anymore. In 2025, the great products aren't just designed and then thrown over the wall of developers. They are co-created and been designed in real time between the designers, PMs, and the devs, and now the AI engineers. The handoff is dead, and now what's replacing something which I call it is a continuous collaborations. Traditionally, the handoff is just creating a distance, and designers spend weeks of time in pushing the boundaries, pushing the pixels. PMs just writing the stories, and the devs are rebuilding it something from the scratch. So by the time it has been shipped, the intent was totally been lost, and the we spend more of the time in translating something rather than collaborating, and which is a very definitely a bad thing in while working on a product. We are always a team. So now look like a Figma MCP and the cursor change the game, that change the rhythm, and I can design prototype and just the making show it live, and I can show the all the behaviors instantly, all before the developers can touch it. And the best part, everyone can see it live as well. PMs can understand the logic, the flow, decisions flow. Um, Engineers can see the all the constraints, and I can see everyone in the room, and I can address those challenges, and we can question it over on the cursor itself. So for example, over here, I was just asking to do some changes, and it was showing it live. I'm not needing to code, and but still PMs and the dev can also see it live. That's what I call it as a continuous collaborations. So instead of just sharing the Figma link with the dev or the PM to go through it, I can now keep a single point of truth, single thread of truth that evolves, and design changes that prototypes can update instantly. The feedback from the dev also, cursor can generate it live, and also Figma having the something, so we can also edit over here, and we can show the all the changes on the cursor itself. Feedback from the PMs also we can show instantly visible, and we are not passing anything, any work to anyone. We are sharing the progresses over here in the cursor itself. So the first time I tried this within my own prototype, I realized that how effortless it is to explain any of the things, the ideas, the logic behind. And instead of simple just animating here, I can show working instantly. Like for example, I wanting to do some changes, so I can show it live. It is just the best part over in this game, and the product team can have the one feedback loop all over. So yes, Handoff is dying, and I'm not sad about it, because what's replacing is something more faster, clearer, and more human. Designers, PMs, and the developers and the AI can finally build something together. And if you ever been frustrated in with the old way, this is a sign. You can try this out. You will find it amazing, and you will put it in your own processes as well. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you having a nice day and the weekend. So till then, to the next video, I will see you again. Bye.